Good morning, and we're just doing a quick look here at the Greek text of 1 Corinthians 14. Listen, if you're new to reading the scriptures, you may or may not know this, but English is just a translation of the original text. The Old Testament was written by the Hebrew prophets, and they wrote it in Hebrew. There is a small portion of the book of Daniel written in Aramaic. But other than that, the Old Testament, Genesis through Malachi, is written in Hebrew, and the New Testament was written in Greek. So whenever we read the scriptures, if we really want to dig in, we need to read the passage in Greek. We have to study the Greek words so that we can get a better understanding of what's being said. So this is a wonderful resource. It's called an interlinear Greek New Testament. It has both the English and the Greek here. So let's go ahead and practice reading it in Greek. 1 Corinthians 14. Diakate ten agapaten zelute de ta pneumatica malon de henna prophete ho gar lalon glosse auk anthropois lale alla io oedes gar acque pneumati de lale mysteria ho de prophetenon anthropois lale oikadamen kai paraklesen kai paramuthian ho lelon glese auton oikadome ho de prophetian ecclesian oikadome thelo de pantas humas lalian glesias malon de henna propheteote mesan de ho propheteon ho lalon glases ectos me dirmanie henna he ecclesia oikadamen labbe nun de adelphoi ein elto pros homas glosses lalon ti haimas opheleso en me humen laleso en apakalue apocalypse, he en genose, e en prophetei, e en didache, hommas ta upsaxa, ipsica, phonen didanta, ete oilas, ete cathira, en diastolen tois fathangues me do pas, gnostesetai to elumenan e to kathirezomenan. Verse 8. Kai gar en adellan salpinx penan dotis parascusetai is polemon autas kai homos diates glosses en me esaman logan date pos newstesetai to la lemon eseste gar es ara laluntes tasuta ai tuchoi tugzoi genne phanon esan en casmo kai edan aphonon en un me edo ten dunamen tis phones esomai to lalunti barbaros kai ho lalon en emmoi barbaros. Verse 12. Autas kai humes epi zelotai este pneumaton pros ten oikademen tis ecclesias zete henna perusete dio ho lalon glosse parasextelto henna germenian ian gar prasuxomai plese to pneuma mao prasexitai prasiocetai ho de nous mao acarpos esten ti aun esten prasuxomai to pneumati prasuxamai decai to noi salo to pneumati salo decai to noi epi ian euleges en pneumati ho anapleron ton hon tu, tau. Ido tu, pos, epi, to, emen, epite, se, Eucharistia, epide ti. Leges uc, Vedensu, mengar kalos. Eucharistes, alho heteros, oikedamaitai, Eucharisto, to, io, pantan, haimon, malon, glacios, lalo. Alla en ecclesia fellopente legusto noimu lalesai, hinnakai alus catechiso e mirios lagus en classe. Adelphoi me Haidia genes de tes fresen alate kakia penutazete nepiazete, little children. Tes de fresen teleioi genesde ento no namo gegrapai hati en heteroglossois kai en glisen heteron la leso to lao tauto kai hautas execusantai mu lege curios hoste hai glesai es semeon eisen tois estiusen alatois epistois hede prophetai autois epistois alatois pistiusen ein senelthe he ecclesia holle epito auto kai pantes la losen glossies e saltosen de idiatai e epistoi au erusen hati meneste ende pantes prophetusen haselte de tis epistos he idiates elancetai hippopantan anacrenetai hypopanton ta cryptates cardias auto phanera genetai kai hautas person epi prasapon presgenesai to io Evangelion hatiantas ho theas en hemon esten. All right, well, that was great practice. I'm going to stop at verse 26, and we'll pick up there tomorrow. Thank you for listening in.